Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic classes of IP address. Different classes of an IP addresses are achieved by splitting the octets into two parts. The network identifier and the host identifier. Okay, the network identifier is used to route packets to the destination network, and on arrival at the network, the host identifier is used to route packets to the individual computer. Okay, so see here 5 classes of IP addresses: class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. Okay, in every class, see here 4 bytes. Fine, 4 bytes it means 32 bits IP address. Total 32 bit IP address, and there are 4 octets. Okay, class A, see this 0 is identify the class A, 10 for class B, 110 is reserved for class C, identification of class C, and 1110 is held to the identification of class D, and for class E 11110. Okay, now we will discuss here one by one classes. First see class A. See here, the first octet defines the net ID. First octet, this is called octet. First octet, it means 1 byte, is defines for the net ID. The leftmost bit, it means this 0 must be 0 to define the class A. Okay, this leftmost bit 0 define the class A. The remaining 7 bits total is 8 bit or 1 byte 8 bit. In between 8 bit, 1 bit is reserved for the class identification, so 7 bits are left. Remaining 7 bits define different network. 7 bits, it means 2 to power 7. Total number of networks 128. So different networks 128. In class A, network 24 bits are used to define the host ID. Total 32 bit of IP address. From in this 8 bit is reserved for net ID. Okay, so 24 bits are left for the host ID. Okay, so this is class A. Now see here the example, how to identify the class. Okay, example like set of 8 bit, that is called octets. Okay, these are 4 octets, and we identify with the first set of 8 bit or 1 byte. See here what we know about class A. In class A, network of in class A, the leftmost bit is reserved for the class, and this bit is a 0. So which class is this? Class A. No need to check all the bits. First leftmost bit we have to check for the class identification. So this is class A. Why? Because the first bit is 0. The first bit is 0. That's why this class is A. Class A address. Fine. You can also write here. The first leftmost bit is 0. So this is a class A address. Fine. Now see here class B. See here class B. The two octets define the net ID. These two octets. Octet 1, it means 1 byte. This is second byte. The two octets define the host ID, net ID, and two octets define the host ID. Okay, two octets for net ID and two octets for host ID. Fine. The two leftmost bits are 1, 0 to define the class B. The next 14 bits define different networks. 14 bits. These 1 byte equal to 8 bit and another 1 byte equal to 8 bit. It means in total 16 bits. Okay, 16 bits. So in these 16 bits, 1 and 0 reserved for the class identification, class B, for class B, and left 16 bits, less 14 bits define different networks. It means 2 to power 14 networks, or we can say 16,384 different networks. This is the class B. Now see here one example, like pair of 8 bits, 1 0 0 0 0 Okay, these are the 4 octets. We see how to identify the class. We see the two leftmost bits. Okay, these 2 bits to identify the class B, because first bit is 1, first bit is 1, and bit is 1 and next bit is, second bit is 0. So this is the address of class B or class B address. Fine. In next class we will discuss the class C and class E, class C and class D. Okay, thank you class.